Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. Today I will show you a launchpad where you can stake your tokens and earn airdrops from initial game offerings by becoming an early investor. If you want to keep up with these videos, you can subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and join our Telegram community to communicate with like-minded people. Now, let's get started. Seedify is a blockchain gaming-focused incubator and launchpad ecosystem with over 50 projects launched, empowering innovators and project developers through access to funding, community and partnerships building, and a support system to help drive the future of gaming and blockchain. Projects on the Seedify platform are in control of the Seedify DAO. The DAO governs its ecosystem and moderates community activities, including projects to fund, roadmap choices, and others. SFUND holders can take part in votes via permissionless contracts. Users must complete several steps to take part in IGOs on Seedify. It involves first completing a KYC with BlockPass. The platform operates a tier system whereby the more SFUND held, the more allocation gets. Users must stake their SFUND tokens until 24 hours before an IGO. It is because whitelist snapshots are taken 24 hours before an initial game offering. And do not forget, the longer SFUND is locked in a pool, the higher the APY. Unlike most blockchains that use inflationary systems to remain sustainable, Seedify avoids inflation by rewarding other projects as the staking rewards. And this solves the potential issues of long-term dilution. Seedify has a strict due diligence process, limiting the risks and qualifying the projects thoroughly to present projects with the most prospects to the community. This diligence allows Seedify to have an average of 30x rate of revenue from the previously launched projects. You can do your own research by choosing any upcoming project to access their social media profiles, website, white paper, and blog news. Also, you will use this place to participate in the presales and claim tokens, but you can only use Binance USD coins for presale projects. There are 3 ways to receive purchase coins. The first is to claim on Seedify, the second is via an airdrop sent by the Seedify team, and the third is from the project website. SFUND is the native cryptocurrency built in Binance Smart Chain for the community to use for staking, investing, and earning rewards on the platform. You can purchase the SFUND tokens from centralized and decentralized exchanges such as Kucoin, PancakeSwap, Bybit, Huobi, and Gate.io at $1.12. If you don't have an account in these exchanges, you can sign up with the links below for lifetime discounts on your transaction fees and watch our exchange tutorials to learn how to use these platforms and transfer tokens between wallets. Also, you will need a MetaMask wallet and you can watch our MetaMask tutorials to learn how to open one. Let's start with how to connect our wallet. Here, click on the profile icon and connect your MetaMask wallet. The profile icon is a dashboard to see your overview status such as your tier level, participated IGOs, stake points, and purchased NFTs. The most important part is the KYC option because you must complete the KYC requirements to use this platform, like in centralized exchanges and some decentralized applications. You must submit one of these documents such as your national ID and a proof of residence such as an internet bill to continue the KYC process. Later, you must upload a selfie and register your wallet address to complete it. However, if you are a resident of one of these countries and are under 18, you won't be able to use this launchpad. Seedify consists of 3 options: IGO sales, INO sales, and staking rewards. Initial game offerings allows projects to raise funds and gain a base community of supporters while providing gamers and game enthusiasts opportunities to purchase new gaming tokens before they are on public exchanges. Initial NFT offerings are very similar to initial game offerings. However, NFT offerings are built on a lottery system, whereas game offerings are on a tier system with a guaranteed allocation size per tier. And in either case, you must stake SFUND tokens. Here you will have periods starting from 30 days to 270 days. Your APY rate will increase based on how long and how much SFUND tokens you will stake. For example, if you hold your SFUND tokens for 270 days, you will get a minimum of 11% return. Also, you will earn staking points and receive tokens from incubated projects for free. It is an extra passive income and utility for SFUND holders. Seedify has a tier system where the more SFUND you have, the more tokens you get from initial game offerings. The 9-tier system was built on a guaranteed allocations with a pool weight formula, whereas the higher tier also gave higher pool weight bonuses. Here, let's have a look at the tier system together. You must stake a minimum of 250 SFUND tokens to become Tier 1. But remember that Tier 1 does not have a guaranteed distribution from pre-sales. It is all based on a lottery system. However, if you hold 1000 or more SFUND tokens, you will have a guaranteed allocation from every initial game offering. There are a few factors such as how much money was collected, how many people participated, and your tier level. For example, you have bought 1000 SFUND tokens and become tier 2. If you have participated in a project with 250,000 total token allocations, you will get $50 worth of pre-sale allocation from that IGO project. For tier 3, $177, tier 4, $430, tier 5, $709, and so on. Remember that these are hypothetical numbers to understand the weight difference in tier levels. There are other factors to consider, such as the number of participants. If you can afford it, Tier 6 is an optimal investment for this platform. Also, if you reach Tier 6 and above, you can get allocation from private sales. We are recently sharing lots of testnet and airdrop videos from different ecosystems. We can all benefit from airdrops. If you like to keep up with these kind of videos, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram community. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.